To deposit a paper check at a Chase ATM, you'll need your Chase ATM card, the PIN for your debit card, and the original paper check. Note that you cannot deposit a copy of the check. First, locate a Chase ATM with a deposit feature using the Chase website, ensuring it allows check deposits. Once you've found a suitable ATM, insert your debit card and enter your 4-digit PIN code. Then tap the green button to proceed. The ATM will present you with several options, including Get Cash, Quick Cash, Deposit, and More. Select Deposit. On the next screen, you'll see options for cash, checks, and both. Choose Checks. Next, insert your check into the designated slot at the top of the ATM, labeled Check In. The ATM will read the check and prompt you to review your deposit, automatically recognizing the deposit amount. After reviewing, tap Deposit to proceed. The ATM will then indicate when the deposit will be available for use, with small amounts typically available the next business day and larger checks becoming available partially on the next business day, with the remainder available in a few days. You'll then be asked how you want to receive your receipt, with options including printing it. Once you've made your selection, the ATM will ask if you'd like to perform any other transactions. If not, take your debit card and the ATM will print your receipt. The process is straightforward and free, with no fees required for depositing checks at a Chase ATM.